Welcome all of you. I am going to share you some video today. This video is so special for every people. Even if you are old, you are adult, you are young, this video will make you feel happy by watching it. Kindly do subscribe for this channel for more videos which are interesting like this one. Thank you.
Baby, come to me everywhere you day. I need you, don't you leave me. Show me love, we need you, I grow. Baby, come to me everywhere you day. I need you, don't you leave me. Show me love, we need you, I grow. So boy, I go treat you well. Me new, me do you the AFFL. Just wanna show you that you are my lover, you are my flower, you are the guy I need. Really come to me now. God wanna show you my finest girl. Oh, Bahima, I need you now. I want you to stay. I'm sorry.
It's okay, no problem.
I'm sure Fred would be very happy to hear this song. I'll go and sing it for him, irrespective of the place I'll see him. Yes.
I love you. I love you. You're my sunshine. I love you. I love you. You made me believe in love again. Oh yeah. You made me believe in love again. Hope that you truly love me, no faking. 'Cause I love you. Oh baby, yes, I love you. I love.
Baby, come to me everywhere you day. I need you, don't you leave me. Show me. Fred. 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 No. Please leave him. Leave him. No. Somebody help me. Please stop. Somebody help me. Help me. Please stop. Somebody help me. Help me.
Woman, talk to us. Who is it to you?
Please.
Woman, talk to us.
Please stop. These people should stop.
Calm down, okay? He's getting better. You are still treating your patient, but it's left with only one medicine. You have to go to the pharmacy and buy it as soon as possible. Okay, so here is the prescription.
Madam, please, in your own total estimation, how much will this medicine cost?
Okay,
2,500 Ghana cedis.
Yeah. We need it immediately. Okay.
Oh God. Where on earth will I get this money for his medications? This money is all I have. And it's the only thing I have for my end of semester exams. I won't let Fritz suffer in the hospital while I keep this money. Never.
You're my sunshine. I love you. I love you. You make me believe in love again. Oh yeah. You make me believe in love again. That you truly love me, no faking.
Oh, you practice?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Don't worry. You will take care of the rest since you brought the drugs, okay?
No, please. I want to stay here with him. I want to be here.
Madam, I'm sorry. You can't sleep here, okay? So you can sleep around and wait, okay?
Don't worry. I will sleep anywhere provided I'm closer to
Don't worry,
him.
I have to attend to him right now, okay?
Thank you.
I love you. You're my sunshine. I love you. I love you. You make me believe in love again. Oh yeah. You made me believe in love again. Hope that you truly love me, no faking. 'Cause I
need something from you. Please don't deny me.
Come on, everything for you.
Okay, so all I want you to do is to take care of this baby for me.
When I was broken hearted and my love was faded, you came in the picture and you made me complete. So
baby, so will I die?
No, don't have that in your mind. Don't think that you won't die. Okay, you always stay with me as long as I am by your side. I promise to take a very good care of you and stay with you, pain, in health, and crisis. I'm always there for you. I promise. I will do everything in my power to ensure your well-being, okay?
Okay.
I love you. I love you. What is waiting for you? And I've made up my mind to be